Whew, that's a steep one there. The thing sometimes, I have it on 2, that's it. That's what I really ride on, 2, sometimes 3, but mainly I stay on 2. And sometimes it's too much in here. It gets you going a little too quick. And then 1 is pretty good. So on pretty difficult trails, 1 is plenty for me. And then 2 does well. And yeah, we're in my familiar place. I'm starting to venture out a little more, but in order to, this is just so close to home. I mean, I don't have to ride a car or anything. I just leave straight from the house. So this is just so convenient. It's just nice. But it's nice. Look at this. It's really nice. And now it's greening up. I need to go back and check out the first video we made out here, which wasn't that long ago. But it definitely wasn't this green. So I'm making plans now to get out and flatten the battery. Basically, get out and use up the whole entire battery and see how many miles it actually goes. I haven't really decided. I like to do a all no pedal test. That would probably be the most beneficial to anybody, because if you know how far you can go with just giving it, you know, power, throttle, then you know you can go a lot further if you even pedal a little bit. So that's probably the test to do. I thought about just running this loop quite a few times until I run out of battery and seeing how many miles we go. Right now I have it on 2. There's not that many people out, so I'm not really bothering anybody if I go faster. But this is what I enjoy. I just want to get out and be out here, not sitting on my couch, not just doing nothing, enjoying this beautiful day. All right, y'all ready? Let's kick it up to 3. Y'all ready? Woo. All right, now we're on 3. $17 miles an hour, top speed. It sure is plenty. It's more than plenty on 3. I did move up the I did kick up the top speed from 30 kilometers to 40 kilometers per hour. Funny, it doesn't show it to you miles per hour, but I don't think I needed to. Again, I never use it on 5. It's very rare I've put this thing on 5. I've never really even put it on 4. I use it on 5. If I want to go fast, I might as well just put it on 5. And if I'm just cruising around, it's usually on 2. Every so often I kick it up to 3 if I'm on pavement. Out here, again, I got it on 3, and it's probably just a hair faster than I really care to be going to enjoy it. Kick it down to 2. I was doing about 17 miles an hour. Down on 2, it does about 13. Excuse me, 12 to 13. Like I said, I kicked it up a little bit, so now it's doing a little bit quicker than before. And that's the way I think you can adjust. You know, if I like 11 miles an hour, I can lower it maybe and get it to that speed where it'll be perfect. These straightaways, I kick it up to 3. Here we are, past the tunnel. See if we can get to our little spot over here. Oh, muddier than I thought. Bogged it down. But a good reason to keep coming through here is just to flatten it down. Keep flattening it down. People do it. You can see I'm not the first one through here today. So it's pretty good that people come out and do it. And then here's our little trail. Got dirt flying all over my butt. Need to come out here with a machete and fix some of this. Whew. And that's that. That's the end. That's the end.